Today, we're unboxing the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro Compact drone packed with professional power and next-level performance. Let's get right into it. As soon as we open the box, we're greeted with the stunning DJI Mini 5 Pro itself. The design feels premium, sleek, and ultra-lightweight, perfect for travel and on-the-go shooting. Inside the box, we also get all the essential accessories: the new remote controller, extra propellers, a charging cable, and of course, the quick start guide. Now let's talk about the features. The Mini 5 Pro comes with an upgraded 1-inch sensor camera capable of shooting crystal clear 4K HDR videos and high-resolution photos. It also features advanced flight modes like Focus Track, ActiviTrack 6.0, and Quick Shots, making it easier than ever to capture cinematic, professional-looking footage. Battery life has been improved to offering up to 45 minutes of flight time, giving you more time to explore and create without worrying about recharging. And here's the best part: it now includes an enhanced obstacle avoidance system, giving you full protection from every direction for a safer flying experience. So that's the unboxing, and first, look at the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're a content creator, traveler, or just love aerial photography, this drone might be the perfect upgrade for you. The Mini 5 Pro maintains a compact, foldable design, making it easier to carry for travel, hikes, location shoots. Because of its size and portability, it's ideal for content creators on the move. Use case: travel vloggers, real estate aerial shots in remote locations, documentary-style filming where mobility matters, smart modes like Quick Shots, Master Shots, Free Panorama, allow semi-automated, creative moves, making it easier for non-professionals to get impressive footage. Use case: influencers, social media marketers, travel, food bloggers who want aerial visuals without huge setups. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest tech updates.